guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't saw already on my Instagram, I have been promoted to an influencer for SashaPure Beauty. Well, that's not the video, SashaPure Beauty. So basically what I can do now is I can have sponsored giveaways. I have a coupon code for you guys, and they send me their products to review and share my results. So I'm gonna get the box and do an unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you my first impression of the products. So let me get the box. This box is heavy, so the box is probably not gonna fit in the camera. We're gonna hold it up. This is the box. That's the box, like. Alright, let me stop. So this, ooh, my camera's moving. There you go. So this is the box. I'm gonna open it. So the first thing I saw when I opened it, it's not really a unboxing because I already unboxed it. But because the first thing I saw when I opened it was this t-shirt. I'm gonna stand up for you guys. Alright, this is the t-shirt. It says SashaPure Beauty, you know? And this was everything else. So I received some samples of all of their products and multiple of them. Let me open it for you guys. Alright. So here's the healing shampoo, healing conditioner, and the deep treatment. Like that. Here is the same thing and the same thing. They're all the same thing, but there's a lot. Oh, that's the wrong way. Wait, no, this is the wrong way. Alright. They're all the same thing, but there's 5 of them. And then here's where the good part comes in. You see this? I really hope it doesn't fall and backfire on me. But ta-da! Look at that. You guys see that? So I'm gonna pull out each product one by one to just give you guys a little description of it. So, and I have my paper. It has the descriptions. So we will start with the healing shampoo. Alright? This is the bottle. Wait, where's the camera? There it is. This is the bottle. It is the Healing Shampoo Certified Peruvian Sacha Inch Oil, rich in omega 369, vitamins A and E, and amino acids. Strengthen, restore, and protect. Color safe, sulfate free for all hair textures. That's all I'm gonna read for right now. Because as I do my review, I'm gonna talk more about the products. And then the conditioner. It's basically the same thing. The Peruvian Sacha Inch Oil, rich in omega 369, vitamin A and E, and amino acids. Gentle cleansing, conditioning, detangling, no foam. Okay. And I'm gonna just show you them to you because that's a lot of reading. I'll explain them more in detail when I use them. Actually, no. I'm gonna explain. Oh no. Never mind. Yeah. I'll explain in more detail when I read them. I mean when I review them. This is the Perfectly Defining Curl Cream. This is light, is really bright. Let's do like that. There you go. There you go. Alright. Here is the Restorative Conditioning Mask. Alright. Here is the Smoothing and Shine Treatment. Boom. Boom. Alright. And here is the Deeply Therapeutic Hair, Scalp, and Skin Elixir. Alright. So now I'm gonna start off with showing you guys my shampoo and my review on the shampoo. So the healing shampoo is used as any other shampoo, and the suggestions is most users indicate only one shampoo is necessary and it rinses with ease. Some even say it starts the detangling process. So this is safe for color treated hair and is sulfate free and is for all hair textures. And I feel like this shampoo, it shampooed my hair good without stripping it. It strips it a tad where my color hair was, but besides that it was good, and it did actually help with the detangling process. I shampooed for a good 5 minutes because my hair was in a pineapple for the whole week, so I shampooed it really good, and it didn't strip my hair at all. So now I'm gonna just give you guys a little background info on the ingredients. So Sacha Inch Oil is light, making it being able, same thing, to absorb quickly and keep your hair soft, shiny, well nourished, and resilient. The products all their products contain certified organic Sacha inch oil, and they all keep the hair hydrated and helps retain moisture, protects and restores hair from environmental and treatment damage. And yeah, I'm gonna go on to my conditioner portion. So the conditioner is the healing conditioner. For some reason, see, when I first got it, I was really confused because the conditioner, I'm gonna show you guys. The conditioner is this big, right? It's 8 ounces, 8.5. And the shampoo is this big. It's 12. Let me know. So I was like confused. I was like, this is cut for curly hair. Like, why? Well, it's for straight hair too, but like, most people use curly hair. So I'm like, why is a shampoo bigger than the conditioner? Well, I'm gonna show you guys how I use this conditioner. So basically, I use the conditioner, and I literally, like, you know when they say use a dime size amount? Well, I actually used a dime size amount, and it like went through my hair like nothing. Like, yes, the shampoo helped detangle, but there were clearly still knots because I hadn't detangled my hair. But after like I used a dime size on half of my head, it was going through like it was nothing, and it definitely moisturized my hair. Like, that's one thing I have to say. It definitely moisturized my hair, and even though a lot of hair came out, I'm gonna show you how much hair I lost. But even though a lot of hair came out, most of it was shedding because my hair was in a pineapple for a week. So not a lot came out during the actual like detangling my hair, and it literally took me like a minute and a half to 2 minutes to detangle my whole head, which is amazing because my hair in the back, the curls are really tight, so it takes a while. So basically, just how you use the conditioner, this is kind of like late, but like how you use the conditioner is to comb through your hair before rinsing, and it can be used as a leave-in. But if you use a leave-in, I have to say to like use it sparingly because it's thick. It's a little runny, but it's still thick. Like, I don't know how that works, but it does. And you will literally need to use like smaller than dime size amount to use the leave-in so that it's not as too heavy and weighs down your curls. So what I didn't use for this is a co-wash, and that's because I used the shampoo and the conditioner. And me personally, I don't really like co-washes, but I'm going to just tell you the information about the co-wash in case you do want to try the co-wash. So basically, the co-wash is like any other co-wash. You put it in your scalp, you scrub it in. And it says you can use it as a quick wash solution when in a hurry traveling or when between big wash day routines. So yeah, I didn't use that, but it's okay, it's okay. So now I'm gonna go into the mask. Guys, this mask. Oof, this mask. First of all, I'm gonna tell you right now, if you use the mask, open it before you get in the shower. I was struggling for a good 5 minutes to open a deep conditioner. Like, it was ridiculous. I dried my hands, I tried everything. It took me 5 minutes to open it. It took a while. So open it before you get in. But like I said, it is thick, very, very thick. It does not move. So when I put it in my hair was already feeling great from the conditioner. Like, it felt great. So after I used the hair mask and was putting the hair mask in, I was like, whoa. Like, hold on. So it was amazing. And I feel like it really hydrated and it made my hair feel silky. Like, it just worked miracles, like, really. And after I put the deep conditioner in, or hair mask, I guess, yeah, hair mask in, I left it in for about 20 minutes, and I put my thermal care hot head, I put mine on, my comic book one. So yeah, it says here that if you want additional conditioning and healing, to add 1 or 2 drops of the hair, scalp, and skin elixir into the deep conditioner while you're deep conditioning. I guess that'll add more shine and like stuff like that. So next is the styling process. So for the styling process, I clearly used the defining curl cream, and the defining curl cream was thick. Like, it was actually thick. So I put it in my hair, and I just raked it. First, I raked it through so that I could get on every single curl. Then I put a little more in my hand, and I smoothed it through because my curls are very thin. So, and I wanted them to clump together more, so I smoothed it through. So It can also be used as a setting lotion for braid outs and twist outs. And then if you guys are like unbraiding or like untwisting the twist outs and braid outs, you can use the smoothing and shine hair treatment. I'm talking a lot. Alright, you could use the hair treatment, the shine one. Yeah, so basically after I styled, I went outside, I went about my day. I went to a fair. Alright, so let me just say this now. I went to a fair that was a mile long. And the fair, it was hot. Like, it was 88 degrees. Like, it hasn't been this hot in like 2 weeks. And when I was expecting frizz everywhere. Frizz Mountain. I used one product to style my hair. You would expect frizz, right? Alright. But frizz didn't happen. Like, it wasn't like this because I hadn't fluffed it out. When I got home, I used the shine. Alexa, let me pull it out for you guys. I used this. I put it back in the box to, like, you know, show it to you guys. But I used this when I got home to fluff it out. And I picked my hair afterwards. So let me just, like, give you a close-up of my results. My face is very up close and personal. Go in there. So these were my results. I need to trim this right there. Basically the product worked amazing. I wasn't really sure about it before I fluffed it out because it was looking a little bit but that's like me with like most of my products, because when my hair is wet, I look like a wet dog. But after I fluffed it out and it became shiny, it actually looks really good. And I feel like it defines my curls, but still the ones back here aren't as defined, so it makes it like poofy, you know. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these products for you guys, and I will have a code for you guys to use in the description box, and I will place the code there. And let me see, I have a surprise. Alright, here's my surprise. Since I am now an influencer for them and I actually love their products, I'm going to let one lucky winner win the products. So I'm gonna put the link to the Instagram post in the description box, and it's gonna be a giveaway. And the giveaway is gonna be of their products, obviously. It's gonna be a sponsored giveaway. So you'll just have to follow the rules under the Instagram post, and after you enter, then you will know within, I think I'm gonna do it 2 weeks, for 2 weeks. In 2 weeks you will know if you've won or not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you buy the products, because you know, 50% off. Oh, I didn't even say that. You get 50% off with my coupon code, and there's limit one per customer, one time per customer. So you get 50% off. You got my review, you got my unboxing, and you get a giveaway. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. I don't know if I want to say turn on or click, so like that was the confusion. But yeah, and don't forget to watch my last video on how to get free products, how to do sponsored giveaways like the one I'm doing now, and how to become an influencer like I just did. Alright, bye guys.